What's going on, home chefs? Today's episode, we're going to solve the problem of having a big Costco bag of Tostitos chips or broccoli with no nacho cheese. This is a basic cheese sauce or Mornay sauce if you fancy. It's made with one of the 5 mother sauces for cooking, a bechamel sauce. Like always, before we cook, let's get the prep work done. You need to create a sachet of 1/4 piece of small yellow onion, 2 cloves, and 1 bay leaf. You can use the cloves to stick the bay leaf to the onion. Wrap and tie in cheesecloth. You will need 4 ounces of cheddar cheese. Make sure it's fresh, no packaged cheese. Melt the butter in a small saucepan over a low heat. Once melted, add the flour. Keep stirring over low heat for 90 seconds to 2 minutes. You want a blonde looking roux. You want to grate the cheese. Once it get down to a small piece, you can keep going or just add it to the batch. The base of a cheese sauce is a white roux. The amount of your roux affects the thickness of your sauce. I like my sauce Velveeta cheese thick. You will need 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Now you need to warm up 1 1/4 cup of whole milk to about 119. Melt the butter in a small saucepan over a low heat. Once melted, add the flour. Keep stirring over low heat for 90 seconds to 2 minutes. You want a blonde looking roux. If you make it too dark, then you're making a gumbo roux. Once the roux is ready, slowly pour in the milk. Whisk constantly while pouring in the milk. Once done, add the onion, bring to a simmer, and simmer for 10 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, you should whisk about every minute. Once done, you want to strain the sauce in a sieve and add back to the saucepan over low heat. Add the cheese slowly while whisking the whole time. Once the cheese is added, add some Korean red pepper flakes, salt, or whatever seasoning you want. It's best to use the sauce right away. Finish it off the same day. Cheese sauce don't reheat well.